we're going to take the Fury for a spin here. Sounding very healthy.
Car to drive. Very comfortable car.
So I'm guessing you like this car, Tony?
Yeah, this car is a fun car. Has the right amount of horsepower, right amount of torque. Have fun with it, play with it, but being that very perfect stock look. And then they turned around and the only thing they really upgraded on this car was they put a dual reservoir system for the power for the brakes and the power braking unit